Please like, share, and subscribe.
The Bachelor Button flower, also known as cornflower or by its scientific name Centaurea cyanus, is a charming and popular garden plant known for its vibrant blue flowers. Here are some key characteristics and information about the Bachelor Button flower. 1. Appearance. Bachelor Button flowers have a distinctive, bright blue color, although cultivars with pink, white, and purple flowers also exist. The flowers are small, typically 1 to 2 inches in diameter, and have a frilly, thistle-like appearance with a central disc surrounded by numerous petals. 2. Blooming time. These flowers bloom from late spring to summer, providing long-lasting color in gardens. They are often used in wildflower mixes and can create stunning displays when planted en masse. 3. Habitat. Bachelor buttons are native to Europe but have become naturalized in many parts of the world, including North America. They thrive in sunny locations with well-drained soil and are often found in meadows, fields, and along roadsides. 4. Cultural significance. Bachelor buttons have been associated with various symbolic meanings, including love and fidelity. They are sometimes used in boutonnieres for weddings and other formal events, hence the name Bachelor Button. 5. Uses. Apart from their ornamental value, Bachelor Button flowers are edible and can be used to garnish salads, desserts, and drinks. They are also sometimes used in herbal teas. 6. Care. These plants are easy to grow and are often started from seed. They prefer full sun and can tolerate poor soil conditions. They require minimal maintenance once established and can self-seed, leading to naturalized patches in the garden. 7. Pollinators. Bachelor buttons are attractive to pollinators, including bees and butterflies, making them a great addition to pollinator-friendly gardens. 8. Companion planting. They are often used in companion planting due to their ability to attract beneficial insects that help control pests in the garden. Bachelor buttons are beloved for their striking blue color and ease of cultivation, making them a popular choice for gardeners looking to add a splash of color to their landscapes. Symbolic meanings. The Bachelor Button flower carries various symbolic meanings and has a rich history in different cultures. Here are some of its common symbolic meanings. 1. Love and devotion. Traditionally, the Bachelor Button flower has been associated with romantic love and devotion. It is often considered a symbol of a young man's love, which is why it is called Bachelor Button. In Victorian times, wearing a cornflower was a way for young men to signal their romantic interest. 2. Hope and optimism. The bright blue color of the cornflower symbolizes hope and optimism. It is often seen as a positive, uplifting flower that represents new beginnings and a hopeful outlook on life. 3. Wealth and fortune. In some cultures, the Bachelor Button is associated with wealth and good fortune. It is believed to bring prosperity and success to those who possess it or include it in their gardens. 4. Fidelity. The Bachelor Button flower is sometimes associated with fidelity and loyalty. It can represent faithfulness in relationships and enduring commitment. 5. Celestial connection. Due to its vibrant blue color, the cornflower is often linked to the sky and the heavens. It can symbolize a connection to the divine or the celestial realm. 6. Remembrance. In some contexts, the Bachelor Button is used as a symbol of remembrance. It is worn or displayed to honor the memory of loved ones or to commemorate significant events. 7. Health and vitality. The cornflower is also associated with health and vitality. Its use in traditional herbal medicine has contributed to this symbolism, representing wellness and strength. 8. Peace and serenity. The calming blue hue of the Bachelor Button flower is often associated with peace and serenity. It can symbolize tranquility and a sense of calmness.